Hello everyone, I'm Bogdan, and in this video we are talking about the turn signals on the Audi A4 B8. Of course, Audi is not making our lives any easier. They will be using different light bulbs, front versus rear, and the magical numbers, the magical types that you'll need to have to order these bulbs are for the rear, a 1156, also known as a BA15S or a P21W. Make sure that it's an amber LED. The explanation is quite long. And also, when you will be getting the bulb and you will be trying to install it, you might need to file down one of the locking tabs. And for the front, you will be searching for a PH24WY. Try getting something that is high power. I used something with Cree LEDs. The install is quite simple. We already have a video for the rear. For the front, you're going to remove the headlight, install the LED bulb, and everything should work okay without any coding or without any problems. Now, I hope that this video helps. If you want to search these or to source these LED bulbs, you can use your normal websites, mainly Amazon, eBay, AliExpress, Wish, and also look in the description. Maybe you can find them in our web shop. Now, I hope that this video helps. If I forgot something or if you have ideas for future videos, please let me know in the comments below, and I shall be seeing you in the next video.